And hello, this is RmcGowen with BISH'S RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to do a quick walk around with you on this 2021. This is a North American 36C. It's a rear kitchen model, and we'll go inside and show you that here momentarily. Just do an outside quick walk around with you. It's got a nice long awning. It's got laminated sidewalls. So you've got great construction. The thing that makes this unique is going to be the disability access. So not only do you have the ramp access here, but the bathroom is set up for handicapped as well. So we've got a handicap shower inside, easy access to roll in and out of the shower. We'll go through that in just a moment. Coming around the front side of the trailer, we've got a solid front cap, the two large 7-gallon propane tanks, electric jack with manual override, two 27 series batteries. You've got two slide outs on this with a 50 amp service to accommodate air conditioners. All of your plumbing access is real easy access here, easy dump connections, jacks to stabilize the trailer. Real simple to do that with this one. Coming around the back side again, solid back cap, nice bumper to hold the sewer hose. You've got a large 10-gallon water heater, furnace outlet. Come on inside. Love the steps on this, easy access with these steps. Nice large kitchen in this, lots of counter space on the kitchen, cabinetry, drawers. You've got the large refrigerator, the dinette that does make into a bed. You've got the theater seating here with the television directly across, sound bar with sound system. The bathroom again in this, really nice for handicap. Easy access into the shower, out of the shower, plenty of room for the toilet, easy access to roll underneath the sink. For sink accessibility, medicine cabinets, nice wardrobe closet with plenty of drawers. Bedroom's going to come with a king-size bed, nightstand on both sides of the bed, and plenty of closetry inside. This is a great trailer. Not very many handicap travel trailers out there. As you can see, lots of room and storage. Any questions on this or any other RV, feel free to contact me directly at BISH'S RV, Ron McGowen, 541-968-6010. Thank you and have a great day.